Last episode we tamed skew. Log1p and Yo Johnson pulled the long tails of total charges and monthly charges back towards symmetric, fit on train only. Today a different kind of feature, dates. One catch, Telco has no date column at all, so we'll build one, honestly, from tenure. Here's the honest setup. Telco gives us tenure, months a customer has stayed, but never a sign-up date. We are going to construct one. Say it plainly, this is a teaching example. The date is derived, it adds no information beyond tenure. We do it to learn the data features machinery. The construction is one subtraction, pick one anchor, call it as of today. A customer with tenure 24 signed up 24 months before today. Subtract tenure months from the anchor and you have a sign up date for every row. One anchor for everyone keeps it consistent. Now the payoff. A date is not one feature, it's many. From sign up date we rate the year, the month 1 through 12, the quarter 1 through 4, and the age in days. Each is a column a model can use. That fan out is why data engineering matters. And the honesty check. We also compute recency, months since sign up. Because we build the date from tenure, recency comes back equal to tenure. Same information, new dress. On a real data set, these would differ. Here, it confirms we invented nothing. Here's the program. We load telco, split train and test first, stratified on churn, random state 42. Then build the date features. The anchor is a fixed timestamp, so the run reproduces. Load and split. 7043 rows, then a stratified 80-20 split on churn. We fix the anchor date once in code, so it never depends on the real clock. Construct the date. From tenure we subtract that many months off the anchor with a Pandas date offset, giving each row a sign-up date. We do it the same way on train and test. There is nothing to fit here, just a deterministic transform. Extract the calendar parts, year, month, quarter and tenure in days, which is roughly tenure months, times 30.44, 4 new numeric columns out of one constructed date. The honesty assertion. Recency in months equals tenure, exactly on both splits. We print it and assert it, so the screen can't lie. The date added structure to practice on, not new signal. The figure shows signups by year, train versus test, so you can see the 80-20 split echoed in the bars, and that both splits span the same constructed range. So that's date engineering, one anchor, one subtraction, a fan out into calendar features, and the discipline to admit when a feature is derived. Next episode, we hit the real workhorse of categorical data, one hot encoding, turning words like fiber optic and DSL into columns a model can actually read. If this helped, like and subscribe for more.